Alright, hey guys. So I'm going to show you how to do the activity Exploring Data Display and Graphs. The Word document is called Exploring Data Display and Graphs Interactive. So if you click on this page will pop up. Here's a little bit of an introduction about what the activity is about, and here are steps that you can take yourself to work through the interactive activity. If you don't have Flash Player or you don't have access to the internet on this day, or whatever the reason that the interactive doesn't work may be, you can actually click on the Word document version of this activity that's just on paper. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and it will bring you to this online interactive. All right. Now, the point of this activity is for you to decide whether the graph on the left-hand side displays the same data or is the same graph of the one on the right. So the question that it's going to ask you will pop up here in grey at the top, and you have to decide whether this is true or not. So different graphs will pop up here. There might be pie charts, might be column graphs, bar graphs, might be stem and leaf plot. Any type of graph can pop up here. At the moment we have 2 line graphs, which is good because you should be confident with line graphs because we've done them a lot in science. So these graphs are showing us the sales that each company makes. So down here we've got the company, A, B, C, D, E, F. They both go from A, B, C, D, E to F. And then on the y-axis here, we've got sales in dollars. Okay, so how many sales they're making. You'll see that the y-axis here is also actually the same. Okay, now do these graphs below represent the same data? Well, I think they do. So if you think the answer is yes, then you click on yes. If you're right, a green tick will pop up. All right, then a little message will pop up here explaining why the answer is either yes or no. Have a read of that, and then you can click OK to get rid of it. And it will actually animate the left-hand side, so this graph here on the left, to then move over to the right and show you that it actually is the same thing. If you want to see that animation again, you simply click Animate and then OK, and it will show you again. All right. To get the next question, you just click New. Now, I am going to show you what happens if you click on the wrong answer. So let's say, for example, I thought the answer was no to this question. You'll see that you're wrong because a red circle with a white cross will pop up. So that obviously means you weren't right. But that's okay, because if you click on the wrong answer, you can simply just click on the right one, which in this case obviously is yes. Click on that and you'll see that green tick again. And then from here, we can follow the same steps as before to show us why these 2 graphs are actually showing the same data. So here is our message, all right, explaining why. Remember, we click OK, and it will animate itself and show you that it's the same. All right, if I want to see that animation again, I click Animate, then OK. And to get a new question, because now I fully understand that, I click New. Okay.